In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Siteground. Let's walk through the exact clicks and fields so you can get WordPress up and running quickly and correctly. Start by signing into your Siteground account and head to the main dashboard. From there, open the website section. This is where all your hosted sites and domains live. Find the website you want to use and open its Site Tools. Site Tools is the control center for everything related to that site, from email to applications. Inside Site Tools, look for the WordPress section in the left-hand menu. Select it, then open Install and Manage. This page is designed to streamline setups. Choose the standard WordPress option here. If you later want an online store, you can add WooCommerce, but for now, stick with WordPress to keep things clean and simple. Next, complete the installation details. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on. If you manage multiple domains or subdomains, double-check you've picked the right one for this project. Choose your preferred language for the WordPress dashboard. This won't affect your site's content language, only the admin interface. Set the installation path. Leaving the path blank installs WordPress on the main domain, so your site loads at the root. If you want it in a subfolder, like a separate blog area, enter a short folder name such as blog. Make sure you're deliberate here because this determines your site's final URL. Create your WordPress admin credentials. Pick a unique username that isn't easy to guess and use a strong password with a mix of characters. Add an admin email you actively monitor. This is essential for password recovery and important notifications. Consider storing these details in a secure password manager so you never lose access. When everything looks right, click Install. Siteground will handle the setup and configure the database for you. The process usually takes under a minute. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation with the administrative URL, typically your domain followed by .wp admin. Bookmark that login page for easy access. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If your domain isn't appearing in the dropdown, make sure it's been added to your Siteground account and is assigned to the site you're working on. If you installed to a subfolder and don't see changes at the root domain, remember to visit the exact path you specified. And if you ever forget your credentials, use the admin email you set to reset them. That's it. WordPress is now installed on Siteground and ready for themes, plugins, and content. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your site.